welcome back to today's channel. This is still me board concept. We've come to the end of this week's financial market. So in today's video, we'll be looking at high probability setups and possible entries for the next week. Note, whenever you hear high probability setup, it doesn't really mean it can't fail or it can't go south. Whenever you hear A1 setups, it can also fail. All it requires from me is to apply proper risk management and also be in the right state of mind, or also be in the right psychology before executing any entries. Note, your entry and your exit also matters in trading. So trading is not a get money, get rich. So trading is not a quick money scheme or get rich scheme. You also have to apply discipline and more. So for those that are just joining, kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So quickly, we have EURUSD. EURUSD. We'll be looking for possible entry in the financial market. EURUSD. EURUSD. Now this is the EURUSD on the daily time frame, and we could clearly see the price is bullish. Let's go over to the 4 hours time frame, and on the 4 hours time frame you could also see price is bullish. So on the 4 hours time frame, we have this fair value gap. We have this fair value gap here. Price has also mitigated it. Zooming out, let me zoom it out. We have this fair value gap. Price has mitigated it. We have this fair value gap. Price has mitigated it. And on Friday price action, we equally had this. Here. We equally had this fair value gap here, which price has equally mitigated. So with this, we're expecting price to continue going up. We expect price to continue in the bullish direction. We expect price to continue going up. So looking for possible entry, because I'm already on this entry on Friday. So looking for possible re-entry. Let's drop down to the 15 minutes time frame. Now, and on the 15 minutes time frame, we have this price action here. Zooming out, we have this price action on the 15 minutes time frame. So possible re-entry. If price comes down to this point of interest, I will look to continue buy to the upside on the EURUSD. So let's remove this. So possible re-entry, this should be our possible re-entry. We look to trade from this zone to the upside. Note, always apply proper risk management. Now next on the list, we have GBPUSD. We have the GBPUSD. And on the GBPUSD, if you clearly look at, price has equally mitigated on the GBPUSD. Let's go over to the 4 hours time frame. This is the 4 hours time frame. We also can see price has mitigated this value gap here. Price has mitigated it. Now moving on, we'll go over to the 30 minutes time frame to look for a possible entry. 30 minutes time frame to look for possible entry. Now on the 30 minutes time frame, we have this price action here, looking for a possible re-entry. We could also map this as our possible re-entry because price is in the bullish momentum. We look to ride along with price. We could also map this zone. On the 15 minutes time frame, we could also map this as a possible re-entry. We could also map this as a possible re-entry on the 15 minutes time frame. Now moving on, we have the AUDUSD. 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 We have the AUDUSD, and on the AUDUSD 4 hours time frame, let's look at what we have. You can clearly see prices on the bullish momentum, and we have this imbalance. We have this imbalance here. Price will definitely come back to it. So moving on, we'll look for possible entries on the AUDUSD. We have this imbalance here, so we could look to trade from here. Okay, let's go over to the 15 minutes time frame. Look for possible entries. This is the 2 hours time frame. Over to the 15 minutes time frame. And on the 15 minutes time frame, we have this price action. So on the AUDUSD, we'll look to short from here. We'll look to short. Now on the AUDUSD 4 hours time frame, we have this imbalance, and I'll be looking to short from this very point of interest. I'll be looking to short from here. I'll be looking to short from this very high. I'll be looking to short from here. Price is yet to fill in this fair value gap. So moving on, we'll be looking at GBPJPY, GBPJPY, GBPJPY. On the GBPJPY, we have this point of interest are marked out, so we'll be watching closely how price play along, because price has already moved out from our zone. So looking for a possible re-entry. Whenever I see possible re-entry, I will come back to this, but price has moved out from this zone, and we'll be looking to sell higher. So moving on, we'll be looking at USDJPY, USDJPY, USDJPY. Now on the USDJPY, we also have this POI here. We'll be looking to short from this very POI. When price get to here, we'll be looking to short from this very POI. We'll be looking to short. We'll be looking to short from this. So moving on, we have on our list NAS 100, US 100, NAS 100. We have NAS 100 on our list. So zooming out, we have this fair value gap here. We have this fair value gap here. So we're looking to continue the ride on the bullish momentum. We have this fair value gap. We have this fair value gap here. So we have this fair value gap, this imbalance. So I will be taking this trade if price comes back to my entry, to my point of interest. I'll be looking to ride long if price comes to this point of interest. I'm looking to go ride up if price comes to this point of interest. So moving on, we have the gold, AUDUSD, XAUDUSD, USD. We have gold against the US dollar. So gold, we still have this price action here. We still have this imbalance. So I'll be expecting gold to come in to fill this imbalance before riding up. So for the gold, let's look for a possible re-entry, on gold. Going over to 15 minutes. I'll be looking to buy gold from this fair value gap here. Looking to buy from this fair value gap. I'll be looking to buy gold from this fair value gap. So moving on, let me delete this. So moving on, we have US 30 on our list. Next, US 30, forex.com. US 30, we have this price action here. So I'll be looking to trade from this breaker block. So we have this price action here. I have this price action. Sorry, let me delete this. We're looking to trade from this breaker block. Let me go back to the 4 hours time frame. And on the 4 hours time frame, you have this price action here. You have this price action, so I'll be looking to long US debt. So the last on our list is EURJPY. 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 Now on the EURJPY 4 hours time frame, we have this other block here. We have this other block. Sorry. On the EURJPY, we have this other block. I'll be looking to short from this point of interest. I'll be looking to short. Let's see it on the 1 hour time frame. This is 2 hours, sorry. And on the 1 hour time frame, we have this point of interest on the EURJPY. Now we've come to the end of this setup. So now we've come to the end of looking for possible entries. So let me do a quick recap. So from the first one, EURUSD, EURUSD, go USD. From the first one, EURUSD, the confluence of me taking a trade from that zone is because of this 15 minutes fair value gap. I will be looking to trade from this 15 minutes fair value gap to the upside. So on the GBPUSD, GBPUSD, GBP, GBP, GBPUSD. While on the GBPUSD, I'll be looking to trade to the upside from this other block. So and so on, even on the AUDUSD, AUDUSD. Now the AUDUSD, I'll be looking to short from this other block. Let me delete this. I'll be looking to short from this other block. Looking to short from this other block down to this level. I'll be looking to short from this other block. Hope you can clearly see it. So moving on, one thing you have to have at the back of your mind before taking any trade that has USD as the sub, EURUSD, GBPUSD, AUDUSD, always check your DXY, dollar index. Always check your dollar index, DXY, because they correlate inversely. They correlate inversely. When I mean inversely, whenever the dollar index is buying, the EURUSD is selling. So just like that. So moving on, one thing you should know about trading, it's always about patience. Price might not get to your point of interest, but still apply patience and always make sure you're strict on your risk management. You always strict on your risk management. Apply proper risk management before and when executing a trade. Note, all strategy works. Whatever strategy you're using, it works. So just always apply proper risk management, because risk management keeps you longer in the game. Without risk management, you won't be in the game, because Whenever you blow up your capital, the market will still be there. So proper risk management keeps you long in the game. So thank you for watching today's video. See you in my next video, and on my next video I'll be sharing the result of these entries on my next video. Thank you, and have a profitable week ahead.